Are you kidding me? This is outrageous.
You open your mail or you look at your banking app, and there it is, your car insurance bill. And your stomach completely drops. You do the math and you look at your checking account and you realize, I literally cannot pay this. We have all been in that tight spot where the math just isn't mathing. And when it comes to car insurance, the panic is a whole different beast because driving without it can get your license suspended, can get your car towed, or even land you in the back of a police car. But take a deep breath. Don't panic. And definitely do not just ghost your insurance company. Today, we are breaking down a step-by-step survival guide on exactly what to do right now if you can't afford your car insurance. Now, we're talking legal loopholes here, okay? Secrets the insurance companies don't want you to know, and how to protect yourself without ending up in the handcuffs or in jail. So let's dive in deep. Step 1 is the 24-hour rule. Call before you lapse. Call before it expires. Step number 1 is a time-sensitive rule, the 24-hour rule. The worst thing that you could possibly do is let your payment date pass. Let the account lapse, and then think that I'll just figure it out next Friday. Once your insurance officially cancels for non-payment, you are flagged as a high-risk driver. And that means when you try to get insurance again, your rates are going to skyrocket by 20%, 30%, or even 50% just because you had a gap in coverage. Instead, you need to call your insurance company before the due date. You call them up and say, listen, I'm experiencing a temporary financial hardship. What are my options? Most major companies have 3 hidden tools that they don't advertise. Payment extensions. They can often push your due date back 7 to 14 days without canceling your policy. They have grace periods. Some states legally require a grace period, meaning that you can stay covered for a few extra days while you scramble to get the funds together. Changing your bill date. If your insurance is due on the 5th, but you don't get paid until the 15th, they can permanently shift your billing cycle to match your pay date. They want your money, so usually they are willing to work with you to keep you as a customer. But you must call them before that midnight deadline hits, okay? Now, aggressive premium chopping. All right, so let's say that you call them and you got an extension, but you still know the base price is just too damn high. It's time for some aggressive premium chopping. We are hacking your policy down to the absolute bare minimum essentials to keep you legal. So here's your checklist to lower that bill immediately. Raise your deductible. Your deductible is what you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in for a wreck. So if your deductible is currently $250 or $500, call and raise it to $1,000 or $1,500. This single move can slash your monthly premium by up to 30% instantly. Just remember, if you get in a wreck, you have to find that cash. Drop roadside assistance and rental car coverage altogether. Do you have AAA? Then drop roadside from your auto insurance. You're paying twice for the same thing. Do you have a family member who can lend you a car if yours is in the shop? Drop the rental car reimbursement. That's another $10 to $15 a month back in your pocket. The nuclear option. Drop comprehensive and collision. If your car is an older model, say it's worth less than $4,000, you might be paying more in insurance premiums over a couple of years than the car is actually worth. If you drop down to liability only, which just pays for the other person's car if you cause an accident, your bill will drop through the floor. But warning, if you have a car loan or a lease, the bank legally forces you to keep full coverage. So this only works if you own your car free and clear. Okay, now, If your traditional insurance provider refuses to budge and you're still priced out, it's time to look at the new school tech options. Look into telematics insurance. These are companies like Root Insurance or programs like Progressive Snapshot and Geico Drive Easy. Instead of charging you based on your age or your credit score, these companies use your smartphone's GPS and sensors to track how you actually drive for a 2 to 4 week trial period. They're tracking how smoothly you brake, no slamming on the brakes, how fast you take sharp turns, whether you are picking up and texting on your phone while the car is moving, and if you are a safe driver who stays off of their phone and doesn't drive like a maniac late at night. Switching to a telematics plan can cut your bill completely in half. Now, the catch is that you actually have to be a good driver, okay? If you've got a lead foot or you're always riding shotgun with a friend who drives crazy, the app might think that it's you and deny you coverage or give you a high rate. But if money is tight and you know that you're safe on the road, let the app track you for a couple of weeks and take the savings. Hold up. Before we get back to the video, I have to ask, are you still trying to build an online business by watching random YouTube tutorials? Honey, that is a stress factory. In 2026, if you aren't using AI to do the heavy lifting, you're working too hard. You need to check out Wealthy Affiliate. They just launched their new AI business hubs that literally build your brand, find your niche, and design your website in under 90 seconds. It's the all-in-one success gold ecosystem where you get the training, you get the hosting, and the AI tools to actually rank on page 1. The best part, you can start for free. There's no credit card, no risk, just results. No matter what your passion is, it can help you turn it into profits. Click the pin link in the comment section below and grab your free account and let me help you build a real asset. Now, back to the show. Now, step 4 is the state legal loopholes. Okay, now let's talk about the extreme strategies. So what if you genuinely cannot get traditional insurance to fit your budget no matter what? Depending on what state you live in, there are legal alternatives to standard insurance that almost nobody talks about. For example, did you know that a few states allow you to legally register your car as an uninsured vehicle if you pay a specific fee directly to the DMV? Take South Carolina, for instance. In South Carolina, you could pay a $600 annual uninsured motorist fee to the DMV. And when you pay this fee, they hand you a registration card that explicitly tells the police that you are registered as uninsured. If you get pulled over, you show them that paper and you will not get a ticket or get arrested for not having insurance. There is a massive life-altering catch to this. Paying a state's uninsured fee is not insurance. It does not protect you. It is literally just a legal hall pass so the police don't fine you for driving, okay? If you cause an accident while driving under this fee, you are 100% personally responsible for every single dollar of medical bills and car repairs for the person that you hit. They can sue you, they can garnish your wages, and they can go after everything that you own. So use this only as an absolute last resort to keep your car legal while you save up for a real policy. And this is not for people who are leasing their car. Alternatively, if you have a lot of money saved up but hate monthly premiums, some states let you self-insure by depositing a massive chunk of cash, usually $50,000 or more, into a state-monitored bank account. Now, step 5, what to do if you absolutely must pause. You cannot pay, period. If you have tried every single thing, you chop the coverages, you call the company, you looked at the state fees, and you still cannot pay a single dime, you have to play defense or get a second job. You need to temporarily park the car and surrender your license plates to the DMV. Do not just leave the car sitting in your driveway with active plates while letting the insurance cancel. In almost every state, the insurance company is legally required to notify the DMV the exact second that your policy cancels. If the DMV sees that you have active license plates but zero insurance, they will start slapping you with massive daily fines, suspend your driver's license, and you'll have to pay an expensive reinstatement fee later just to drive again. Go down to your local DMV branch, hand them your license plates, and tell them that you are putting the vehicle in storage. This stops the clock, it freezes your record, and ensures that when you get back on your financial feet, you could just walk back in, get new plates, get a new policy, and drive away completely drama-free. If you own your car free and clear, just go get the uninsured motorist permit at the DMV, pay $500 a year and be done. But being broke is stressful. But being broke and caught in legal trouble is a whole different level of a nightmare. Take control of the situation today. Call your provider, check out options like Root or Snapshot, or go turn in those plates if you have to, or check other insurance companies. If you got this, and this financial storm will pass. If this video helped you breathe a little easier or gave you a plan of action, hit that like button, that hype button, hype me up. Hey. Subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below letting me know what money hacks that you use to keep your car on the road. Stay safe, drive smart. I'm Teresa, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.